Alright, guys, welcome back. And today we are going to talk about while loops. Loops are a powerful concept in programming, enable us to execute a block of code repeatedly. Let's explore the while loop in Python, a versatile tool for repetitive tasks. A while loop allows us to execute a block of code as long as a certain condition holds true. It's like telling your program to keep doing something until a specific condition is met. Let's start with a simple example. The basic syntax of a while loop looks like this: count equal to 0. Now, while count, count, sorry, while count less than 5, print count. Okay, count plus equal to 1. All right, let's run the program. Okay, so as you can see, it's very simple. Like while, sorry about that. All right, so it is quite simple. Like over here, it is saying while the count variable is less than 5, right? Less than 5, it should be printing this, and count will increment by 1, right? So as you can see, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So this is the simple example of while loop. And now moving on to the next. And also, you should be very cautious while working with while loop, because if the condition in a while loop always evaluates to true, you will end up with an infinite loop. Make sure your loop has an exit condition. Let me demonstrate how the while true print. This is an infinite loop. All right. So this kind of mistake in your program can crash your program, right? So you should be very cautious. Now I'm not going to run this because it might crash my application. So I'm not going to run it. Just going to delete it. Now, while loops are great for scenarios where the numbers of iterations isn't known beforehand. Let's use a while loop to gather user input until a specific condition is met. Let's see. We have already worked with user input. So if you haven't watched it, please watch my previous tutorial, right? While user input dot lower not equal to exit, then user input equal to input. It will be the prompt, enter a value, enter a value, and enter a value, type exit to end. All right. Okay, it looks fine. Now print. Okay, you have entered Okay, user input. Okay, now if I run this thing, okay, I'm going to enter my name. You have entered this. So now if I, okay, 55 and 5, as you can see, we are like, okay, and this is how, okay, hello, hello, world, hello world. Okay, so our simple program is working. Now, if I type exit, it is going to end. As you can see, process finished with exit code, right? Okay, now let's delete this one. Now we are going to talk about the break statement. The break statement allows us to exit a loop prematurely, even if the loop condition is still true. It's a handy tool for controlling the flow of your program. Let's see how to do it. Number equal to 1 while true, print current number. Okay, I think I have got two parentheses. Yeah, number. Okay. Now, if number equal to 5, right? Break. Sorry, it'll be colon break. Okay. Now, number plus equal to 1, right? You can make it as 10 to increase the number of iterations. Okay. Now, if I run this, okay. So it is also very simple. Like this is our variable. I have assigned a number one. Now it is saying while true, right? While this block of code is true, it will be running, right? So it's going to print number, first number, then it is going to check if the number is 10 or not, right? So again, the loop will continue. Again, it will check what is the number, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And while it reaches number 10, right, as you can see, number equal to 10, then it is going to break the loop, right? So this is how the program is working, right? And it is printing out the number over here until it is 10, right? All right, guys, fantastic. While loops are invaluable for repetitive tasks in Python, remember to have a clear exit condition to avoid infinite loops, whether it's iterating over a range of values or responding to user input. While loops gives us the flexibility to handle various scenarios, join me in the next chapter as we explore more dynamic features of Python. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.